In this episode, we're finally tackling that patio. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on a Budget. Today, as you heard earlier, I'm finally tackling that patio. So just sit back and watch your girl get busy. Now, I'm not sure what happened to the film of me moving the furniture, but it's moved against the fence so I could start blowing off the patio. day 2. Okay, here we are on day 2. I washed down the patio the other day. I let it dry. Now today I am going to do the furniture. I'm going to wash it off and sit it where it goes and give it time to dry and come back and decorate the patio. So, let me go ahead and get started. I need to, I'm going to use this patio cleaner that I purchased. I'm going to see how that works.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Are you ready for the reveal? We're gonna start here first. I power washed over here, so still a little wet. We did plant a few flowers out there. Still have like a few my husband needs to put in the ground, but it's going pretty good. The yard here looks really good. And then we come to the seating area. Now this rug, outside rug, came from Walmart. It was on clearance for $23. So I snatched it up. Now the black and white basically goes with this chair set. So that's why I got it, to go with the black. Because I do plan on changing the seat covers. But for now, this is what's out here. Now the pillows and the chairs, the pattern pillows, they came from At Home. I've had those for a few years now. So I brought them out here. Now I'm going to give you an overall look of the seating area. It looks really good, y'all. I'm happy with it. So let me know what you think down below about the sitting area. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, because it doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And as always, I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.